What's up, guys? I am here. Yeah, that's my thing. This is gonna be a gem of a video. I'm here with Adam, Vanessa's in the back, and we got little Cedar Fox with us. My God, they're living in a van full time with a little guy. Look at this guy. For everybody out there that's like, how do I live this way with a baby? Boom, they do it. Let's check it out. What's up, guys?
Yeah, well, right now we're at a van life meetup with like 100 other vans, so we've just been busy meeting all those people.
Yeah.
But yeah, Jarrod asked if we can take you around our van, so we'll do a tour. And
definitely caught you off guard.
Yeah, it caught us off guard. We're like, ah. But yeah, we can show you our van.
Yes, please.
And yeah, we can talk about traveling with a dog and a baby and all that stuff.
Great.
The whole concept for the van was based on keeping this space as open as we can, but still get as much storage in here as we can. When people walk in, they say, oh, it's so big and open because we left one whole side open right here.
You did.
Yeah, so we have kind of like the standard bed platform and cabinets on the side.
What's the van itself?
Okay, so the van is a 2008 Dodge Sprinter, and it's a 170 wheelbase.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so the inside space is about 14 feet long by 6 feet wide.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and then, yeah, so big kitchen area. Since we have our stove, it's like a portable 2-burner Camp Chef. We can cook inside and out, and that means our countertop can be almost 6 feet long.
That's so much space.
Yeah, and this one's the showstopper because it's an epoxy piece of maple. So.
I see the live edge too, yeah.
Yeah, so that's what catches people's eye, I guess, when they come in.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you did this all yourself, right, Adam?
This is DIY, yeah. We did it all ourselves. So
awesome.
It took us a while. When we talk to people about building vans, we always say the research planning phase is probably as long or longer than the build itself.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, exactly. So, and we're going to talk a lot more about that in our future videos. So, yeah.
Well, you know what?
Yeah.
Why don't you plug that right now for me?
Sure.
Because you have an amazing YouTube page.
Yeah, so, well, our business name, I guess, is Create Wonder, and the Wonder is spelled W-O-N-D-R. And yeah, we do videos, a lot of DIY van building videos, and then we do traveling videos, obviously, with us and our baby.
And you're gonna have a lot more coming out with Cedar because it's he's new, so
we like to show him off.
I mean, look at his face.
Yeah, I mean he's adorable.
Yeah. So that's us. That's us on Instagram, YouTube, our website.
Cool.
Yeah, and then we do have a van build ebook. So it's 120 pages. It shows photos, how to build this van or similar vans.
Nice.
In like a Sprinter, ProMaster Transit.
It basically just takes you like a DIYer step by step from the design process all the way to the
finish.
Yeah.
And you can find that on your website, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on our website. So yeah, like we have a big countertop, open kitchen. Everything that we built has like nice hinges and like pistons and that sort of thing. So
and you got those pop locking, whatever they're called. I don't know what they're called.
Latches.
I don't recommend those ones.
Yeah, these ones they're kind of finicky, so you have to be careful when you're installing these ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, so anyway, we take it all the way back. This is our closet in the back here, so we each kind of have our own closet.
Okay.
And yeah, so when Cedar was born, we actually sleep widthways now.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, in the van.
Head over here, feet over here.
Oh,
Feet underneath, yeah.
Because the closet used to come all the way down.
Oh, okay, and you fixed
when we
that.
were pregnant, we
I
knew what was coming.
A human?
Yeah. Adam took the bottom cabinet section out, and then we made the bed go all the way across.
Yeah.
And I forgot about your fourth passenger. I don't know how I forgot about this big guy.
Yeah, so Caden's been with us, well, in the van he's been with us almost 2 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
Traveling, and yeah, he travels great, so.
He does. He's a great little pup.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
Way more energetic than this normally.
No, right now he's relaxing.
I think he's
He's pooped out.
weekend.
Yeah, we've had a long weekend this weekend. And you guys have a great seating area.
Yeah, so before, a couple years ago when we built the van, we didn't see anybody that had a seating area that you could sit across from each other.
Yeah.
So Vanessa and I wanted to sit across from each other, and we wanted to be able to pull out our table from underneath our platform bed.
I may have even taken that idea from you guys, because you did your build before me.
I think so,
Yeah.
yeah. You could have. So now I see this design a lot, not like to take credit, but I think it's just a smart way to sit across. And then it gives you bench storage. This pulls out and becomes a third seat at
look
the
at that.
table.
Yeah.
if you want, is just on casters.
Does it come all the way out?
Well, it rolls out as far as you want because it's not on a slider, right? It's on casters.
Oh, it's on casters.
So I can take this whole thing out, and really, actually, for people that travel with like longboards or skis and stuff like that, you could have it where this comes right out of the van, and you can reach the back, so you could store things long.
That's genius.
Yeah.
Yeah, jeez.
Yeah. So, and this also obviously is just storage for heavy items in here, right? Like
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Pots, pans, dry goods. We have like a nice hygiene, like 3-tier right here,
There you go.
right beside the sink. So
That's actually cool. I want to do that in my next van.
yeah, so then you can split up all the small items. We just have a simple foot pump right here. It's kind of empty right now, but we have a 5-gallon fresh, 5-gallon gray.
Well, we've been off grid now for several days. So.
Yeah, so maybe we're running low.
Yeah.
But yeah, simple foot pump. It's like inexpensive. We use way less water that way. So
We
Awesome.
have a toilet down here.
we have a hidden toilet in this bench.
Is it compost?
It's not a composting toilet. It's one that I made where I hooked up a fan that you would see in a composting toilet,
Yep.
and I vent it outside.
Yup.
Yeah, with like a
Best way to do it.
Yeah, louvered thing. So we have a vent. We have a separator for the urine and the number 2. So
Yep.
yeah, so it's like a hybrid between like a cassette toilet and
And a compost.
composting
Yeah,
toilet.
that's you're smart. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's way less expensive.
So
by
you
like $1,000.
literally did DIY everything.
Everything
You
is-
did a DIY
Yeah.
pooper.
Custom. So we, yeah, sure. So we installed like the 2 big windows with
Yep.
lots of natural light.
A lot. Look at that field out there. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we have 2 fans in the ceiling, which is lots of ventilation.
You have a fan in the back there.
Fan
and
in
you
the
have a
back.
fan right here.
Yeah.
Are they both max air or?
Those are both max air.
Both
yeah.
max air,
Yeah,
cool.
we just, if we were gonna spend money on it, then we would want the best fan that we could get. I feel anyway for it. So.
And it's nice because you can keep it open in the rain. Like that's the biggest.
Yeah, the max air. Yeah.
spot, And it's
Yeah.
like you want air movement. You
Yes,
wanna be
absolutely.
steaming up in your van.
That's
Yeah.
it's so true.
And then for upgrades, actually, I guess we could talk about for cedar. So we did put the extra ventilation in the back, made the bigger bed. We did put in an S-bar heater.
Okay, which is
is-
probably underneath me.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
behind you.
It's right in here, which you
It's
can't,
hiding.
which you can't see. Like nobody can see them. Yeah.
No.
But I can maybe put a picture of it up. I'll do
Yeah.
that. I'll put a picture of an S-bar.
Yeah.
People
up
know.
there. Exactly. And that's something too that you can add in after the fact. It's,
Yep.
It's a big expense, but since it goes under the passenger seat, you can wait, save your pennies.
Yep.
Do it
Sorry, I'm
later.
laughing at your pup because literally went under the covers.
He's like, I'm gonna sleep now.
Yeah, that's hilarious. He's
He is
out.
going to bed.
Yeah, he's like, wait, guys, I want to go. Let's go.
Oh, this is all natural cedar. We didn't even finish it. We like it when we're cooking in here and it steams up. You can actually still smell the cedar,
Yeah.
Yeah.
which is nice.
You can still smell the cedar?
A little
Yeah.
bit when it steams up. Yeah.
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 And then
That's
behind
funny
you
'cause
is
his
the
name-
jump seat.
Right. So we put in the third middle seat here.
Oh, this guy right here. Yeah.
Yeah. So this one, it was open, and then this is an aftermarket seat that gets bolted in through the factory holes.
Okay. And that's
Yeah.
for cedar.
And that's for
obviously.
cedar rides.
That's good. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
That's really
because-
good because when you add a person, you have to do something like this.
Yeah, without like ripping apart the van.
Right.
So all of these additions, even the headliner shelf we added afterwards.
Oh, okay.
For extra storage. And all of this stuff can be added in afterwards.
Yeah.
Right? So super simple.
My goodness gracious. And you are actually going to be doing a build with somebody. I won't say their name, but you're doing a build with somebody soon.
Yeah, we're going to be helping doing a build in a couple weeks. That one's going to be in a 144.
Yeah.
So we're going to try to fit all this
Into a
kind of
144, yeah.
144 and see how that works out. I think it's going to be a really, really nice build with a couple cool features that I haven't built yet.
Do you know if you're showing that on YouTube at all?
We are going to be showing it on YouTube. It's going to be a van build series, so I'm going to do it right from the planning and layout phase, which we don't see a lot online. So I'm gonna
Except
do-
my channel.
Except
Jeez.
your- yeah, so, except Jarrod's, which I watch. So I'm going to do that right up to like finished product. I guess.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I really hope good things for you guys because it's amazing. And then your best addition of the van was Cedar.
Yes.
Cedar Fox, if anybody was interested.
Yeah.
But he's a real. Honestly, I got to spend the whole weekend with him. These guys, if you guys don't know them, please go give them a follow. A lot of my followers probably already follow them, but if you don't, go follow them on YouTube and Instagram. They post really cool pictures, and they're giving tips on baby living in a van.
Yeah.
And with a big dog in a van.
Everything.
Like DIY master over here. It's crazy. And you guys are actually going to be giving a talk or like a seminar workshop.
Yeah,
A workshop,
we're doing a
yeah.
DIY van build workshop
At Kristen's? Yeah, Open
Yeah.
Roads, yeah.
Yeah.
If you guys follow Barefoot Theory, she's got a Open Roads
Festival.
Festival.
Yeah.
And that's in Idaho. And these two are going to be giving a seminar, workshop.
Yeah, DIY van build. You know
Yeah.
how to take it again, start to finish, and like how to renovate on the road,
Yeah.
different things like that.
So that's at openroadsfestival.com, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you
That's-
want to get tickets to that.
yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome, Kristen, for plugging yourself. Anything else, guys?
That's pretty much it for the
Yeah.
van overall. Like we have the garage underneath, so that's just all our extra storage.
We don't have to show that mess off.
No, that's just a mess.
It's literally below the bed, back, bunch of stuff.
Yeah, that's what everybody has.
How much water do you have in here?
Honestly, just 10 gallons of fresh.
Wow, that's
And
good.
Yeah, so we use so little water, and we use this for our water filter as our drinking water, so we don't need much as far as fresh.
And I know I'm going to get this. Solar.
Okay, so I'll just do the quick run through
Yeah.
of the components.
Just,
So
just maybe, how much wattage do you have on the roof?
the wattage is only 300.
Wow.
Yeah,
only.
that-
It's still good.
That's still good. It runs the whole van. 400 amp hour battery,
Good.
2,000 watt inverter,
Kinda
and
what
the
I
charge controller to match it all.
Yeah,
kind of thing. So,
absolutely.
yeah.
AGM or gel?
it's a
Or-
gel, pure gel
Yeah, pure gel.
Yeah.
From Energy?
from Energy.
Yeah, same one. Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Did you go all the Energy?
The whole package is Energy.
Yeah, me too,
Because
yeah.
it's easiest to do it that
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we,
You're welcome, Energy.
yeah.
Yeah.
We wanted, and this would probably be the same thing with you, is that we wanted the whole system from one place.
One
because
place.
If anything ever happens, like it's
Warranty.
you
It's a
phone call, yeah.
One
Mhm.
person, you're dealing with one team of people. You're not dealing with a whole bunch of other
Yeah,
people.
my Energy video right now, We're Welcome Again, they get a lot of views, so
Right.
I did a
Yeah.
whole tour of that place, so
Yeah.
it's a good. I'll throw a card up in the link right now for that one.
Yeah.
But guys, like you got like seriously, I'm blown away hanging out with them all weekend. It's the first time I've ever met them, but I've been following them a long time. It's been amazing. So
Yeah.
thank you
you.
guys so much.
Oh, yeah.
You guys are
Anytime.
amazing.
Yeah.
Check them out, guys. Later.